Welcome back. Now we are going to talk about the penetration testing tools. So, pen testers use a number of tools to conduct reconnaissance, detect vulnerabilities, and automate key parts of the pen testing process. Some of the most common tools include the specialized operating systems. So, most pen testers use the operating systems designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. So, the most popular is the Kali Linux operating system. Okay, the most popular one is the Kali Linux operating system. It is an open source Linux distribution that comes preloaded with pen testing tools like the Nmap, the Open Web Application Security Project (JAP), or the Nessus vulnerability scanners, and for exploitation purpose for the injecting the payload on the target machine like Metasploit or the burp suit professionals. So these are preloaded the pen testing tools, and also you can find the Wireshark on these. So this is a specialized operating system that is used for your penetration testing purpose. Another the common tools that include is the port scanners. So these port scanners allow pen testers to remotely test devices for open and available ports which they can use to breach a network. So such as Nmap is here this Nmap is one of the best example for the pen tester. Let me just erase this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this Nmap is one of the uh, the tool which is inbuilt on the Kali Linux operating system, which is can be used the this tool can be used for scanning the ports on the target. So Nmap is the most widely used port scanner, but the mass scan and Zmap are also common for scanning the ports. So another tool for pen testing, we use the vulnerability scanner. So in vulnerability scanner, the scanning tools search systems for known vulnerabilities, allowing pen testers to quickly find potential entryways into a target. Examples, it includes the Nessus vulnerability scanner, Core Impact, and NetSparker are some of the examples, tools of the vulnerability scanner. And the web vulnerability scanners are a subset of vulnerability scanners that assess web application and websites. Example that includes the burp suite or the open web application security projects that Z attack proxy, that ZAP we used to say. Another one is packet analyzer. The packet analyzers, also called the packet sniffers, that allows pen testers to analyze the network traffic by capturing and inspecting packets. Pen testers can configure out where traffic is coming from. The pen testers can simply figure out where the traffic is coming from and where it's going, and in some cases what data it contains. So one example is the Wireshark and TCP dump are among the most commonly used packet trace analyzers. And another one is Metasploit. So Metasploit is a penetration testing framework with a host of functions. Most importantly, Metasploit uh, allows pen testers to automate cyber attacks on the target machine. So Metasploit has a built-in library of pre-written exploit codes and payloads. Pen testers can select an exploit, give it a payload to deliver it to the target system, and let Metasploit handle the rest of the things on the target machine. Another one is credential cracking tools. Credential cracking tools, so these programs can uncover passwords by breaking encryptions or launching brute force attacks, which use bots or scripts to automatically generate and test potential passwords until one work. So example that includes the Medusa or John the Ripper or Hydra, which are some of the examples. The Hashcat and John the Ripper. So these are some of the password application tools. So as we said, this Kali Linux is fully loaded for penetration testing that can be using for gathering the information like in Reckoning space and checking the known vulnerability analysis for web application analysis, database assessments, wireless attacks, reverse engineering, exploitation tools like Metasploit, sniffing and spoofing tools like Wireshark, and post exploitation tools, and the forensic tools, and finally reporting tools. So these are few of the application tools which are preloaded in the Kali Linux, so which is more helpful or specially designed operating system for penetration testing, right? So these are few tools which we use. Thank you.